Let's start with 3 deep breaths to ground us in this room. Let's do it together now. This will work best with your eyes closed so that you can really focus on the sounds. Paying attention to your breath and how it feels coming in through your nose, inflating your chest and deflating your chest. And becoming alert, waiting for me to make a sound with this bell. When you hear the sound, I'd like you to raise your hand. Keep your hand up high until the sound has completely gone. Then slowly bring your hand down. Paying attention, staying alert for when you hear the sound of the bell. Did you notice how the sound fills the room? Now, focus all of your attention on the sounds in this room. What sounds can you hear? Keeping your eyes closed or just softly looking at the floor. Listen out for any tiny sound. And now, any sounds outside of this room, maybe people in the hallway or traffic on the road. And now let's see just how far you can hear into the distance. What's the furthest sound you can possibly hear? Bring your attention back to the room and back to the sounds in this room. Maybe someone is sniffling or someone's wiggling around in their chair. Just paying attention to the sounds in this room. And finally, back to your breath and the sound that it makes as it comes through your nose or through your mouth. Open your eyes and we are back in the room.